Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. This is Yash, and I am touring you a 4 BHK residence of Chembur most tallest tower. Have a look, a 7-star living, a resort style living in a Chembur with most premium amenities which no developer other project is providing you in Chembur. So why Chembur is the most precious location? Because airport is 20 minutes and everything which you required and South Bombay you desired of, you get in Chembur because the connectivity is awesome, the lifestyle is awesome, the people who are staying in your vicinity is the awesome like you. This is 4 BHK, all bedrooms are master bedroom. Let me tell you something more about the project. This project have 4 apartments per floor and 5 elevators in each tower. Okay, there will be 2 towers there is right now which is 70% sold out, and next C and D tower is coming soon. We're going to get a finished apartment where all the finishes will be done by the developer team. Okay, so this is the first bedroom which I'm going to show you. Come out with me. So this is the small bedroom which you can use it for your kids. Okay, this is a dry area. So this is the dry area as I told you, and we are going to go in for a second master bedroom. You can see this is the powder room. This is the huge bedroom you are going to see. Okay, let me show you the third and fourth bedroom. You will get the wall decor which you have to put it by your end as per your taste. And this is the third bedroom. Have a look. You can make it a guest bedroom or for your kids bedroom if you have 2-3 kids. And this is the dryer area. You can have a look. And now I'm going to show you the last and final fourth master bedroom. Have a look. I love this massive space which you are going to get in Chembur, the heart of Chembur. This space is awesome. You are interested to buy a property with a premium living in the tallest tower with the luxurious amenities which everything required for a family is in a vicinity itself. You don't have to go anywhere. So this project is for you. You can have an office workspace also is given in this project, and everything is given. Okay, so you can connect us on the given number in the description. You can call on the given number in the description and book your private touring. My name is Yash. I'm your luxury real estate advisor. Please connect me and I will help you to find your dream home and dream luxury properties. Thank you.